Hello guys, mga mudrakels. Today is Thursday at naisipan kong mamasyal kasama ang beautiful nature here in our city. We drive I think 5 minutes with bus and then we get up here and to show you how beautiful nature is, guys. And this time I would like to present to you Mr. What do you call this man? Friedrich Engels. Hello Mr. Friedrich Engel. How are you doing? Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let us see. So, can you read this, guys? The Arbeit ist die Quelle alles Reichtums. Oh my goodness, it is very hard to understand. But can you please this is from China, this statue, and now this here in our place. Look, from 1820 to 1895. Oh, he is a very, very big man. He looks like a giant. And guys, our weather for today, Thursday, is sunny. It is a little bit hot.
Mama, immer fresh.
No, I'm not. No. Awa, may nangangati. And now, I'm going to show you the beauty of this. This is a park, you know. But we are lucky. There's no people. Walang maraming tao. My English is magtagalog na lang kaya ako, guys. It is better to speak in Tagalog rather than in English because I'm not a native
Der Baum ist
speaker.
ungefähr 500, 600 Jahre alt gewesen.
Oh, look at this tree, guys. Before
Maybe 500 to 600 years old.
600 years. Why did they cut that tree? It is already broken, that's why. Oh, guys, alam nyo, ang gandang maging table nito, no? Laki. Okay. Let us let us change our topic. Oh. Naglalakad ako, guys. Tingnan nyo, ito meron silang basurahan. Always basurahan here, everywhere. Yan, ito, tingnan nyo dito. Ewan ko kung anong halaman to. Green na green siya. Yan. Punong-puno. Look at the... Oh, anong halaman ba to? Wala siyang bulaklak, guys. I don't know what is the name of this plant. And now, we are in the highlights of our video. This is, what do you call this plant? I don't know. I think, I know. Please guys, kayo na yung bahalang mag-ID because I'm not a certified plantita, you know. I'm not a gardener, but I'm only a small YouTuber, you know. I am very glad to share this beauty of the nature, guys. Look, it is grass, a very big grass, and look at that flower everywhere. Look, it is very nice, the flower. Bagalan natin ang lakad guys kasi para hindi malikot ang video ko. Tingnan mo. This is a very nice grass, isn't it? This is a huge grass. And I don't know what do you call this flower. Please help me to identify it, mga mudrakels. Look. Lakad ulit tayo. Kailangan mabagal ang lakad. At pakita ko sa inyo, tingnan nyo itong puno na ito. Lumalakad si Mudra. Pupunta tayo doon sa kabila ng mga halaman. You know, tingnan nyo yung statue na yun, oh, guys. Yan. At ito na naman ang another flowering plants. Isn't it so beautiful here, guys? Look at the grass. They are very giant. And the color of the plants are very colorful. Like our lives. Sometimes we are sad. And the red one. Begonia, I think the name of this plant is begonia. Look, wala na akong maikwento guys. Basta pakita ko na lang sa inyo itong mga beautiful flowers here. Guys, alam nyo, pagka nagbibideo ako, hindi ko siya ini-edit kasi hindi ako marunong. Hindi na kasi nakatira sa amin sina Junakis. Kasi dito guys, pagka medyo matanda na ang mga Junakis mo, hindi na sila dito nakatira sa piling mo. They have their own life. At padalaw-dalaw na lang kay mudrakels. Kwentuhan na lang tayo guys. Dalawang anak ko guys. Isang turning 31, parang babae. At si ate mag 33. Ayaw niyang sinasabi yung edad niya. Mudrakels. Sabi niya, Mama, I am forever 29. Look at this grass. Isn't it so giant? This grass. Oh my goodness. Pag hindi mo ginagamit ang English mo guys, mahirap nang magsasalita. But I'm trying to because I have a English speaker subscriber. Oh, this is my favorite color. The yellow flowers, guys. At tutuloy ba natin ang kwento natin, guys? So, dito ko nawawakasan na ang aking unang video at magkakaroon tayo ng continuation, guys. Doon naman sa kabila. Okay, if you like this, please click, share, and subscribe. The singing plant mudra. Our place. Pag sinipag, sabi ni Junakis guys, Mama, ba't hindi ka nagbo-vlog ka? Ba't hindi mo i-vlog yung ganda ng city mo? City natin na tinitiran. Yeah, that's why I'm here and sharing this to you guys. Okay guys, if you like this, please click, share, and subscribe. The singing plant mudra. Bye. May continuation to guys. Take care. God bless.